Hey y'all, and welcome to Cal Unique, where we're all about creating and cultivating natural beauty you can be proud of. If you're new and would like to become a part of the Unique Beauty Squad, please subscribe below and then comment. Let me know you're new so that I can give you a personalized welcome. Now that we've gotten out of the way, let's dive into this next video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this look. This is my version of the mini twist. So, you know, it takes a minute, but you get there eventually. So let's get to it. Y'all, I was definitely not planning on filming this morning, so you're getting raw and uncut. So I was about to start twisting my hair, and I figured, well, I'm about to mini twist my hair, and I figured, why wouldn't I show my folks what I do when I mini twist? So I've already started blow drying my hair out. Last night, I shampooed my hair in the shower and just put in some leave-in conditioner. I used the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore leave-in, my go-to. But right now I'm just going through and blow drying parts that weren't dry yet from last night's little twisting situation. And then I'm gonna go in and start the twisting process. First things first, I wanna let you guys know that I do use this on each section, and this is an Iron Guard by Chi. And this just protects from the heat. And I spray that on each section and then I blow dry. Alright, so my hair's all blow dried out. I used my heat protectant, and I think that's pretty much all I needed to do in order to start twisting. So first things first, I'm gonna part my hair. And I'm thinking I'm gonna do a side part today. A deep side part again, because I did that last time and I was really digging it. So I'm gonna start in the back of my hair. I'm not gonna use a comb to part anything but my side part. Like everything else, I'm gonna finger part. So I'm just gonna take my fingers across the back of my hair and just make like a really small section. And clip the rest up. And so I have this section to work with. And I'm gonna go in with the Camille Rose Almond Jai Twisting Butter. This is a new one because I used all my other ones last time. This is like my go-to twisting butter. It smells so good. Look at the consistency. Nice and thick. Nice and thick, but it smells like a cake. I just love this. I just love this stuff. Anyway, so I'm gonna go in. I'll part this in two sections in the back. And I'm literally just gonna take a little bit of the twisting butter. Just a little bit. And you have to kind of twist fast because this butter will revert your hair back to its like, it'll attempt to revert it back to like its kinky curly state. But you just kind of have to work fast and only put the butter on the part that you're using at the time. And as you can see, and I do a little bit of a twist around with my fingers. And here we go. The twisting process begins. This usually takes me about, I don't know, an hour to an hour and a half to twist my entire head. So, yeah. Alright, so I'm going to show you the progress that we're making. Hope y'all can see this. But, so when I start twisting, or when I initially finish twisting one, it's usually completely straight. But the product that I'm using kind of helps it to curl up at the end a little bit and gives it a little more like body within the twist. And I think that's what I like about it. So yeah, it starts off initially like it's just completely straight. And I kind of just want to show you guys what I mean by that. So I take a little bit of the product. I start to kind of just like rake it through so it gets all the way throughout. And then I start twisting as close to the root as I can. So I take it and I literally start as close to the root as I can. My hair just wants to take those with it. And then as I go down, I add a little bit more. And see how it's like completely straight right now? But it's gonna start curling up. It'll start curling up. And so yeah, that's kind of what's going on. I'm almost done with this section. I've been working for like, how long have I been working? Like 20 minutes just on this section alone. And the back is kind of the hardest anyway because I can hardly see what's going on back there. But yeah, this is the progress that we're making. I'm going to show you one more right here. I'm going to show you the one I just did in a minute so you can see that it finally curled up at the end. Okay, completely straight right now. Look at that. It's a little curl. And this one's gonna do the same thing. And all of them gonna do that. Except my front usually doesn't, because I have a looser curl in the front. I think that's just how my hair is. But yeah. So I'll be back closer to the end. So I'm gonna show you one completed section. These twists I've actually done a little bigger than I normally do them, but I think I like them better, bigger. Well, a little bigger for takedown purposes, because I've been doing them super tiny in the past and it takes forever to take down, and then you always miss some. It's just a hot mess. So yeah. But yeah, I've got one section down and it took about 30 minutes roughly to do. All right, on to the next section. Okay, I think we're finishing up. Total, I've been working on my hair for about an hour and a half. I did take like a break. I think I took one break because I got hungry. But I kept it pretty consistent all the way through as far as size of twist. And I think we're wrapping this up. I don't know why I'm making these so tiny now. And even though I'm going like super fast, I feel like when I look at myself do it, I feel like I'm going so fast. But right now, after working on my hair for almost 2 hours, I don't feel like I went that fast at all. Woo! last one. Alright, so my twists are complete and bow. I mean, how's everything looking? This little piece right here, you know, it's always going to be one. It's always going to be that one that just doesn't want to let me be great. And I'm fine with that because it'll curl up eventually. Okay, so one tip that I would have to suggest when doing mini twists and wanting them all to kind of have that curl at the end, because my hair, to be completely honest, has not always curled up at the ends. But what I do is I'll usually hop in the shower like the night after doing my twist, and I let the humidity just kind of work through the twist. And what happens is everything will start to kind of curl up and become a little more, it'll kind of form together. So that's what works for me. And then also like every other day, sometimes every day, just depending on what my hair needs. What my hair needs, I will use a spray leave-in conditioner, something really light and misty. I'll show you what I prefer to use. I like to use the coconut milk leave-in conditioner by Cream of Nature. It smells amazing and it's just like a really light mist. And I just would like spray that throughout my hair. I don't need a whole lot, but it usually works pretty well. Actually, I'm all out, so I need to get some more. But yes, this is the complete look. How y'all like it? Is it cute? I like it. This is like one of my favorite looks, my favorite style. It's so simple. I don't wrap it up at night. I don't even put a bonnet on. I just sleep on my silk pillow or satin pillow. That's all I do. I found that when I put on a bonnet, it'll like make it form really weird and it'll like smush down certain spots and all that. And I didn't like that. So I sleep with nothing on my hair and I wake up and I do one of these and that's it. And I'm good to go. So this is another video by Cal Unique. If you've enjoyed, if you want to see more, please comment, subscribe below. And then, you know, I'll see y'all on the next go round. Peace. Love ya.